Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you my forest garden. It is under fruit trees and this should imitate spring forests in around the world. So the first one is Galeopdolon luteum and the cultivar of it. This one is Chionodoxa forbesi pink giant, and this one is Corydalis solida. And as you can see and hear, bees are very busy. Collecting pollen and nectar from our plants. We also have some tulips. We had 3 cloudbursts this week, so everything looks a little bit rough. And this is one of my favorite tulips. It's a Fosteriana hybrid called Hit Parade. This mass of foliage is Tulipa sylvestris, but oh, and you can see there's a bud. We usually don't have buds on this because it needs sandy soil. Chionodoxa forbesi blue, and we have some oleums and other tulips. My mother likes pansies, but what I'm most proud of is the beer onions. I've been collecting seeds of beer onions in the last 15 years, and I sow them and they germinate in 2 years, and these are 3 or 4 year old seed sowings. We also have Pushkinia libanotica here. This is Smyrnium olusatrum, I believe. It's a biennial plant, and it has yellow bracts on the flower stem, but it will only flower in the 2nd year and then it dies. This one is Ranunculus, Anemona ranunculoides, and it has a brown rhizome. This small yellow one is a Gagea species, and this one is Ficaria verna or Ranunculus. Something, I don't remember the name. I have collected different leaf forms, so you can see that I have these gray spots, the brown spots. So it takes a lot of time, but it's very beautiful for 2 or 3 weeks. You can see there are a lot of flowers, and some places the Chionodoxa was better, other places the Corydalis was better, and I let them self-sow and propagate from daughter bulbs. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.